today is the Climafix event, and like you would have like many ideas and many passion to be here. We just want to know like what is the purpose that drives to be here today.
Okay, so myself, Tamaresari, I'm a biocentric architect, and the thing that I wanted from this Climafix is to understand what the industry, like the startups, and what young people, young minds think, and how they proceed towards the climate and related issues. What are their contributions towards these things? So I just wanted to know. As a biocentric architect, my job will be to plan the building and give the clients the output which will be more efficient. So for that, I should be able to understand and analyze the market trends and how that works for people. I should be able to understand the things. So that's the main purpose I came here, and as well as to connect with so many industry people who are like pure kind of mentors to me as well.
So the first thing is that climate sustainability, anything to do with ESG, has got large prominence because it has a direct impact to all of our lives. And Ashwasan Advisors, we are into the end-to-end advisory, financial advisory services. And we have what we do is we fundraise, and we have a lot of investors who are more keen and have shown interest in ESG sustainability related projects. And that's what actually drove us to come to attend this particular summit. And I think it's very well organized, very good curation of programs. But of course, it's just the first half of the first day. But
Are you enjoying?
yes, enjoying it well. Meeting quite a number of people, so it's like a nice networking opportunity also. Understanding it better, you get a better understanding when you hear it from other people, experts. Yes, enjoying it.
Let me first introduce myself. I'm Dhwani Sunku, the founder of Ploxy. So Ploxy is a sustainability catalyst. We work across different transition stakeholders, and we are building an ecosystem in which they can interact. So we cut across climate finance funds. We connect them to climate tech companies.
Okay. So is this for like only for the climate related the startups, or for the students projects also you find, or only for the registered companies?
We work purely on climate tech companies. So
Okay,
they don't
established.
necessarily have to be startups even. They
Okay.
could technically be companies that are maybe slightly older in their period but are now looking for capital.
Okay.
We also bridge the gap between their business growth.
Right,
So we
right.
take them to market and help them connect to industries, organizations that may use their products and services.
Okay.
We even work at the stage of like their international expansions and
That's great.
new market entries.
We do have the programs for the students where we skill them, train,
Yeah.
and marketing as well to establish the product to the international level.
Correct.
So I think that would be a great help to connect with you for
Yeah,
them.
absolutely. And our focus is obviously India is a huge market,
Okay.
huge global market. There's a lot of solutions coming out in the country.
Exactly.
But Ploxy is global mission driven because climate change
It
is a
is
global
global
problem,
issue,
right?
yeah.
We cannot forget that. So a lot
Cannot
of
be
the,
regional. Yeah, it is.
yeah, the problem is regional. The solutions need to be
global.
regional,
Yes.
right?
Yeah. Right.
So the problem's global, the solutions need to be regional.
Yes.
What we try to do is bridge the gap between access to capital from other markets, bring them to India, and take Indian solutions and take them elsewhere because all of the global south to some extent has similar problems. So Indian solutions could be replicable in our neighboring countries, even Southeast Asia. So that's the mission.
That's great. Thank you so much for your time.